Hey everybody, it's Jeremy here with the Guillette Group, and today we're back. We're going to give you a preview of Grandezza. This is the latest in our community tours that we do. We're going to talk about your membership options. We're going to show you what this community looks like and all the great reasons why people fell in love with this neighborhood. So take a ride with us and take a look. And keep in mind, guys, we're talking to people every day across town and across the country that are looking to relocate to this area. We've done it. We've done it a bunch of times, frankly. We've moved 14 times before we got here in Southwest Florida. If you have questions and you can use our help, please reach out to us. Give us a call. We'd like to talk to you live, or you can click the link below and schedule a 30-minute consultation with us. Look forward to talking to you soon. All right, well, join us as we pull in here. So we're coming in off of Ben Hill Griffin. And welcome to Grandezza. So you're going to see coming in here, we have the gate, you have a resident lane, and then of course a guest lane. Grandezza actually has two gates, and I'll give you a couple shots here of just some community and golf course practice facility. Let you know about the location. It is amazing. So this is pretty much at the corner of Corkscrew and Ben Hill Griffin. You've got a Publix right around the corner. You have a Starbucks across the street, a dry cleaner, all kinds of banks and restaurants, you name it. Your minutes to Coconut Point, minutes to Gulf Coast Town Center, and the new University Village, and just south of Florida Gulf Coast University. So that gives you a sense of where it is. You have a really grand clubhouse. In fact, this clubhouse just went through a major multi-million-dollar renovation. It really is the showpiece of this community. And as part of this community, your minimum requirement is to be a social member. But there are multiple membership options with sports memberships, and then a full, all the way up to like a full golf membership, which would give you, access to the golf course as well. So this community is built by Stock Homes. They are one of the finest builders we have in Southwest Florida. So as we get into the neighborhood tour, I'm going to go into a little more detail about some of the options available to you. But before we get into that, we're going to take a look at the amenities. Okay, so we're going to start looking at the amenities, and we'll start here with the pool. It's a junior Olympic-sized pool. There's dining inside and out. You can see some of the shutters down on the one facility. This is a golf community, so you're going to be surrounded by lakes and golf views. One nice thing about this is they limit the memberships to 400, so you can always get on the golf course regardless of the time of year. So again, just another view here of the pool deck. I'm going to show you one of the lakes behind, mostly because my kids were having fun. There's a neighborhood gator right there. Yes, you will see them. So here you have two bocce courts. It looks like there's two more underway being built. And then you'll also see there's a half-court basketball court here. The golf facility and the practice facility, rather, was just behind it. And there's also 6 Har-Tru tennis courts, so clay courts. Okay, so we're going to start our tour here just past the 6 clay courts. This first part of a neighborhood is actually villas, and what's nice about this community, you've got options. So there's condos, villas, well, I guess they're really all villas or maybe even townhomes or single-family homes. But these villas are the side-by-side style, so it's all one level. They're about 1,800 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and some of them even have a pool behind them. So it's a really great option. Here's another section here that's more of the up-down style of more of a townhome, but again, still really nice. You have the 2-car garages. And then when you get into some of these other parts of the community like this one, you actually will have your own pool as part of the association. So in addition to the main clubhouse and that junior Olympic pool, you'll also have your own pool. And some of the buildings even have like a little kitchenette area. So if you wanted to come and spend the day, some have a grill, some have a little area that you can make lunch. So we've seen now 2 different areas that have different villa and townhome styles. I wanted to just spend a minute or so and drive through the single family home section, or at least one of the single family home sections. This is a pretty good sized community, but it's not overwhelming. And again, I mentioned at the front of the video, there's a main gate that comes in off of Ben Hill Griffin, but there's a secondary gate really just for residents and then and to get out off of Corkscrew Road. So we're looking now, and I think I shared as well. So these are Stock Homes. This is really the premier builder, or one of the premier builders in Southwest Florida. You're going to find better finish work, better trim work. there's just more included when these homes were built, and they're very grand. There's also, because this neighborhood's actually a little bit older, you have mailboxes on both sides of the street. So I know that that sounds probably silly in some ways, but a lot of the newer communities, they're in just designated areas within the community. You don't even have a mailbox at your home or across the street, like in some cases. So it is nice. You still have mailboxes at your home. You're going to see no sidewalks in here, so you'd want to be mindful of that. And then as you get into the single family homes, there's a pretty significant range in terms of square footage. So if you're looking for a ranch, certainly you're going to find that here. If you're looking for something a little bigger, looking for a 2-story, you'll also find that here. Most of the single family homes are 3-car garage, but you will find some that are 2-car. You just saw kind of a split garage floor plan there. A lot of these are going to be the side entry style. So square footage wise, I'd say you're just over 2,000 square feet generally in the single family homes, all the way up to about 4,500. So again, just a lot of options in terms of what you're looking for. You'll see most of the front doors are pretty grand. This is really just a great neighborhood in an amazing location, especially if you're into golf. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Give us a call, reach out to us on social media, or click the link below in the comments and schedule some time with us.